Tired of your daily data running out? Sick of paying for expensive internet packs? What if I told you you could get free internet on your Saudi SIM card right now with just a few taps? In this video, we're testing the legendary Jawwy FreeNet and the powerful Mobily 60 Rivals package. We have proof of connection, a full list of working packs, and the exact servers you need to use. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be online for free. First, let's get straight to the proof. Look at this. Here we have a successful 12-second connection using a Mobily 60 Rivals pack on a US server. And here, a quick 3-second connection from Singapore using the famous Jawwy FreeNet package. This isn't theory. This is it working right now. The app we're using is configured with XTM Tunnel. The version and config are crucial for success, so I'll have all the download links and details in the description below. Make sure you're using the same version for the best results. Now, you're probably wondering, what other packs work? We've got the full list for you. According to our config, here's the rundown. Jawwy FreeNet, working great, as we saw. Mobily 60 Rivals, multiple variants, most working in all areas. Mobily 69 SAR PUBG pack is a go. For Zain users, we have multiple options. The FB1 pack for 1 reel, the SM2 and SM3 packages, and the 60 reel pack are all confirmed working. There are also several other packs like Y25 Unlimited and Zain SN packs that are available to try. Remember, carrier policies change, so a pack that works today might be patched tomorrow. Always check the pinned comment for the latest updates from the community. All right, let's get you connected. Here's how to set it up. First, download and install the app and the config file. Link in the description. Open the app. Don't get overwhelmed by the server list. Step 3. The key is server selection. Go to the Auto Select Server option. This lets the app choose the best server for your location and pack. But if you want manual control, here are the top recommended servers. For general browsing and stability, Singapore 2 or United States 4 and 5. For gaming, specifically, Game Server 3. And if you're using a social media pack like from Zain or STC, they have dedicated servers right here. Zain STC Social Pack 1 through 5. Select your server, make sure your mobile data is on, and hit the Start button. Wait a few seconds, and you should see the connected notification. Before you go, a few important tips. This is for educational purposes. Speeds and stability are not guaranteed. Your carrier might deduct a small amount of balance for the initial connection attempt, even if it fails.